guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this very pink, gold pink cut crease look for you guys. I try to stay away from the black liner as well and a different pop of color lip, but this look is definitely, again, affordable. It is using the Carity Just Peachy palette. Again, just basically almost like a one palette look except one shade, but you'll see that later if you guys stick around. So if you guys just want to see how to get this look, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so to get some things out real quick is if you hear that humming noise, I have a heater on right now because in my back room it is so cold out here, back here I should say, but it feels like it's out here because it's so cold. And also my eye is not set or anything. I just put on the concealer and then we're going to jump right in. So I'm using the Carity Just Peachy palette. Looks like this and looks like that. It comes with a really nice mirror as well, but these are the shades that we are working with. And I'm going to get my fluffy blending brush and I'm going to first start off with Creamy, and we're going to throw this all in the crease. And being that my eye's not set, I like to tap first and then I'll blend it out. I am now going into Warm and Fuzzy, which is that shade. And I'm going to pick up a little bit of that and then I am going to throw that right on top and blend that together as well. You don't need a lot of blending for that part, it's just to really set the colors. Now mixing Creamy and Warm and Fuzzy together. And now I'm really going to blend this out like that. And so now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease, and I'm just going to be using a foundation. And a funny story with this is I've been using the Makeup Revolution foundations and I love it. And by the way, the foundation I'm wearing now is the shade. If you guys have not seen my Ulta haul recent video, I'll link that at the end of this video. But in that video I said that this was not my shade because it was F5 and I needed an F6, but since this is the stick foundation, for some reason it is definitely darker than the liquid one. But when I thought it wasn't my shade, it's one of my favorite shades right now for the stick foundation that I know of, and I really like it. So funny, I just went ahead and tried it. I didn't even bother returning it. But anyways, to get back to what I'm saying, the one that's F4 that is way too pink for me, I've been actually just using this to set my eyes, to prime my eyes and cut the crease. So that's what I've been just using it for instead of getting rid of it, and I'll find something for it. So anyways, so I'm gonna get a flat brush and I'm going to now just cut the crease. Okay, so now that that is cut, I'm gonna go into this my Lime Crime Diamond Crushers. It's a lip gloss, but I won't ever use it for that. But this is the shade Lit, and I love this shade, and I use this always for my eyes. So I'm probably gonna buy more of these, but like I said, I'm only gonna use them for my eyes because I'm not that bold enough to wear this for my lip. You can, give you credit, that's amazing, but me, no. So I'm going to just get a little bit and I'm going to just put this all over the lid. And I'm really just going to put some closer to the lashes and a little higher, but then I'm going to get my brush and actually pick up a little bit on there as well. And really put this along the line. Okay, so that part is done. And also, if you're new to my channel, I always tight line and do my waterline before I do my eyes because it's just, I forget, and if I do glitter, it's just I don't want to lift up my eye and do all the lining because I'm going to mess up my lid color and I don't want to do that. So I just did a black liner on top to tight line, and for my waterline I use this Catherine Natural Cosmetics eyeliner solution in Royal Plum. So I've been just using that And I already put it on, but in the palette, I'm gonna go into Fruity, and I'm just going to put this on top. And I'm gonna use my side mirror for this, but I'm just gonna literally pat it all on top of it. Okay, and for that same shade, getting a little more, and I'm running that along my lower lash line. Okay, so with that done, I'm just getting a small blending brush, and I'm going back into Creamy and Warm and Fuzzy. And I'm really going to just smoke this out on the bottom. Okay, and for the liner that I did, I actually went in with the shadow, and I went into Yummy. So I picked up some of that just on an angled brow eyeliner brush, and I got a setting spray, and I just sprayed that, and then I just followed outward and did my liner. Okay, and with the same flat brush that I did the crease with, I'm going into Glow Up and Princess, and I'm going to mix those together, and we are going to throw that in the inner corner, and we're also going to do that for the brow bone. Okay, and so right here, I'm just going to curl my lashes and do mascara real quick, and then we'll be back to do the lips. Okay, so for lips, I am going to definitely do a pinky lip for this, but since I do have some purple in there, I want to do more of a light pinky, like mauve shade first to line my lips. So I'm using the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner in Enduring Mauve. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. Okay, so change of plans. Instead of doing a pinkier look, I decided I want to definitely go into a little more of this type of shade, because when I put this on, I actually really like the way it looks. So I'm going to show you guys a few of my options, and I think I have an idea of which one I want to go with, I think. So I have all of these shades right here, if you could kind of see. I have a feeling this one might be too dark, so I'm not going to do that. Let me see, this one might be a little pretty, but no. I kind of did more of a look like that, like a redder kind before. Okay, so I have a few options here. I feel like the Ofra might actually be the best suiting one, so I don't want it too pink. Yeah, you guys, I want to go ahead and go with the Ofra. So we're going to go ahead and throw this on top. Okay, so I actually also decided to go into the NYX Whipped, no, I don't know. It looks like that. Anyways, I just went ahead and dabbed a little bit of that in the center, but I want to now just kind of go over top. Okay, and to now go ahead and set my face. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you guys like more looks like these, of more of like the color, glitter, you know, a little more out of the neutral shades that I love, just go ahead and let me know down in the comments below, and I will definitely try to come up with more brighter looks like these, and you know, try to definitely get a part of what you guys like as well. So with all of that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.